Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to explain to you how to change payment method on App Store. So the first step is to simply open App Store and then simply tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. Then what you're going to have to do is simply tap on your account name. And then what you're going to have to do here is simply tap on, as you can see, you're going to have to scroll down here. And then what you're going to have to do is simply tap on manage payments. And then here, as you can see, you're going to see all the payment methods that you have here. So as you can see, I'm going to remove this one here. And what you're going to have to do is simply enter a new one. So you can see I have these three payment methods. So what you're going to have to do is simply tap on add payment method and then simply add your payment method and then tap on done. And basically that's all you have to do. And what you're going to have to do is simply remove the ones that you are not using anymore and tap on done again, and that's all. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.